Fetterman!
Good morning. It's day number 2.
We just rode the Gwazi. Got my hair all pushed back. Good way to start your day, though. You get some adrenaline. Have a Red Bull, jump on the Iron Gwazi. Your day's good.
Hollow Scream is over.
Over.
Now they're gonna be setting up all the Christmas stuff for Christmas Town. And in the meantime, we're gonna be riding some rides. So come with us.
Rides.
For you too.
Very alarming. Alarming. Oh. Woo! Man, what a feeling. I feel like a little kid again. Yeah, that's how it makes you feel. Just like a little kid. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we got it. We got it filmed so you guys can come along for the ride right here. The Miami Post.
Alright, so let's share our comments on the new Serengeti swing at Buschgardens. What do you think?
It's like somebody's back patio, screened-in patio almost.
Right.
The feeling that you get is one of a kind, and you will feel like a kid again. It's terrifying though.
We watched a couple of videos of this new ride on YouTube.
Nobody does it justice.
No, nobody did enough justice of the ride itself. It's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It looks like a very simple, very mellow kind of ride.
5-star ride.
Right.
5-star
but it's actually terrifying. It's horrible
Definitely.
The first time. It's horrible, but it's great. It's great.
Extremely terrifying.
It is great. So if you get the chance, we still haven't get the chance to ride that one with both swings, swinging at the same time. Because it's not a busy day, they only have one right now. But we'll come back. We'll come back for that experience. But so far, 10 out of 10. All right, so this is the end of our last day at Buschgardens. As always, we had an amazing time. Let us know if you have been here. Which one is your favorite coaster?
7 coasters in one day.
7 coasters in one day. And there's way more, but those are our favorite ones. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.